I am proud to be able to present to you our first ever virtual open house. We have got several things that we are going to talk about. We're going to have several people that are going to speak to you, tell you about some of the great things that are going on at Heritage. Whether your child is a remote learning child, a virtual child, an in-class child, whatever your student is, this will be very important information. Also, you will be receiving a virtual open house training from your child's teacher that will get into more specifics about classroom expectations. But we want you to know what's been going on behind the scenes as we prepared for year 2021. We're real excited. Just some of the things we will address, our mission and vision. You don't know where you're going without a good mission and a good vision, and we embed that in everything we do. The theme for this year, some of the safety protocols that are going on, that are taking place already daily. You can see I'm wearing a mask. Some of the things that will be done daily in the building when children are here or when any visitors are here that hopefully will make you feel really good. Our family engagement coordinator and the two academic coordinators are going to speak to you about some ways they are here to help you. And there will be introductions to the grade level. So we are very pleased that you are joining us, taking this time. I know it's not the same to be able to hug and see students that we've not seen over the summer. Guys, if anybody can make that happen, I wish they could. But we're going to make the best of it because that's what Heritage does. First of all, what we believe in Bibb County. Each student will demonstrate strength of character and will be college or career ready. Whatever route your child chooses when they graduate from Bibb County, we want them to be ready for that. What is our mission in Bibb County? It is to develop a highly trained staff. Right now, if you look on our Facebook page, you will see examples of professional learning that our teachers and administrators are in every single day right now as we prepare for the opening of the school. And an engaged community. One way we have an engaged community is what you are doing right now. You are watching this video. You are connecting to what this school is doing for your child. An engaged community. We've had stakeholders in the community that has brought our staff lunch, that has been praying over us, bringing us snacks, all those type things that we just know our community is supporting and loving us. Dedicated to educating each student for a 21st century global society. Some of our district values are competency, loyalty, open communication, defined autonomy, and honor. We live by these practices. Guys, our vision, our statement for this year, our core value is mission first, people always. Guys, we've always got that mission of educating your children. We have done a great job. We have a good track record. But guys, right now we have had to put a lot of time on people, students, staff, teachers, parents, keeping them safe. That has to be and we have made a lot of plans that we're going to share with you in this open house, talking about how we're making sure people will always remain important and first in our mind.
Hello, I am Donna Klein and I am the assistant principal here at Heritage. We are excited for the new school year to begin and welcome each of you to Heritage. When the students return to the building, we will be following the guidelines established by the CDC. Everyone will have their temperature taken upon arrival, both students and staff. We will also give everyone a mask, but we do encourage students to bring their own mask from home each and every day because they will be required to wear it for the maximum extent possible. The guidelines for social distancing will be followed. Our classrooms have been set up with desk space 5 to 6 feet apart with reduced class sizes. Also, at the end of the day, the custodians will be spraying the building with disinfectant to eliminate the spread of the virus. Again, we welcome you to Heritage and look forward to working with your students.
Hi and welcome back. I'm Terry Smith, your school nurse, and I am so excited to be back with you this year. I have been a nurse, a pediatric nurse, for 36 years, and this year is my 20th year as a school nurse. And I can promise you, things have changed a little bit, but Bibb County and Heritage Elementary has been working all summer to make sure that your child comes back to a safe and healthy environment. The Bibb County leaders planned many years ago, and we were very fortunate, one of the few counties that has nurses or health techs in every school. Now, some things are going to be a little different this year, and one of them is called social distancing. What is social distancing? That means we're going to have to stay away from our peers and our friends. We're also going to wash our hands 20 to 30 seconds with soapy water. We're going to be mindful of that and think about that our hands need to be clean and we don't need to touch our face and mouth and eyes, because those are all entry points for viruses. We're also, the third thing we're going to do is be wearing a mask. Now, you're wearing a mask, you don't want to wear a mask? Sure you do. One thing you can do is go ahead and start practicing wearing that mask. I want you to look down here. I have several masks to choose from. Wearing a mask can be fun. I have my mask that makes me look like a doctor. I have masks that make me look like I have just come from my dress shop. I have my favorite team mask. I have the kind that protects me. I have a school mask. What kind of mask are you gonna wear? I can't wait to see you on the first day back in school and seeing how we're all gonna protect each other and we're all gonna be safe from that old virus. Welcome back.
Welcome back, Heritage Eagles. We're so excited to get school started with you. I wanted to talk to you about a couple of free resources and awesome tools for you. In case you don't know though, my name is Miss Nash. I'm the media specialist here at Heritage. If you will look, we'll start right here with ClassLink. Hopefully you remember it from last year. You're going to go to ClassLink. Remember, it's a launch pad, so it'll launch you to all the websites and programs that you need. Even some new ones that we haven't used before, and lots of stuff that you do recognize. If you come on around this way, then you can see we have lots of free books. Hopefully y'all recognize that this is Destiny Quest, and we have free books in there. And Epic and Storytime Online, lots of resources. And they are all linked inside of ClassLink, so you have plenty of opportunities to read free ebooks, okay? And in Galileo, you can look up and research all sorts of cool topics. You can find videos, newspaper articles, magazine articles, just way more than you could ever wrap your head around. But there's some cool free virtual, remember that's just a virtual library, so some cool free sources there. And of course AR is open now for Accelerated Reader Test. And this is a really important number. Make sure you write it down carefully, because that is the help desk for tech department. So if you have any trouble or questions with logging in and using things, you can go to call their number and contact them. Let me know if I can help also, and I hope y'all have a great school year.
Hey boys and girls, I'm Dr. Scarborough and I am your friendly school counselor. We're going to talk a little bit today about what our behavior expectations are at Heritage while you're going to school online. We have developed a new Heritage Virtual Matrix. This is going to be available on your teacher's page when you log into Canvas, but you need to be very familiar with some of the things that are on here. One of the big things about safety first is only go to websites that your teacher gives you, okay? There are a lot of websites out there that you do not need to be a part of. Only go to those where your teacher tells you to go during instruction, okay? On your actions, you need to listen carefully to your teacher's instructions. Do not have side conversations with your brother and your sister, and try to minimize other distractions. Put your PlayStation, put your phone, anything that would distract you, your dog, put it over in another room, or put your dog outside if it goes outside. But we need you to be ready, prepared to concentrate and do your work. Act respectfully. Don't be having side conversations with your other friends. I know you like to talk to your friends, especially the first few days of school, but that gets distracting for the teacher, and it's distracting to your friends because they need to be learning and paying attention and doing what they need to do. And ready to achieve. Boys and girls, I really encourage you to get you a space in your home that's dedicated solely for the purpose of doing online learning. Have your books if you need them. Have your pencils. Make sure your laptop is charged and ready the night before. And get up and get dressed so that you'll be fully attentive while you're talking to your teachers.
Hi, my name is Evelyn Jones.
Hi, I'm Tracy Clayton, and we're the academic coaches here at Heritage Elementary School.
Mission first.
People always.
Hi, I'm Miss McQuaid.
Hi, I'm Miss Christopher.
Hi, I'm Miss Cannon.
Miss Jenkins. Miss Howell. Mrs. Hurst. Miss Pendleton.
Miss Ruiz.
Miss Hammond. Cecilia Lamb. Lisa Beakley. Kimberly Clinton. Crystal Hatcher. Miss Woods. Miss Ennis. Miss Howell. Miss Kilgore. Miss Fitzpatrick. Hi, I'm Mrs. Scroggins.
Hey, I'm Miss Burnett.
Hey, I'm Miss Harris. I'm Miss Blizzard.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Reed.
Hi, I'm Katie Bailey.
Hello, everyone. I'm Michelle Chambley.
Hi, I'm Miss Harris.
Hello, I'm Miss Seymour.
Hello, everybody. I'm Miss Moss.
Hi, I'm Thomas Cote.
Miss Yates.
Dr. Riggins.
Mr. Brooks.
Miss Smith.
Mr. Furness.
Mrs. McClendon.
I'm Miss Lottie.
I'm Miss Smith. I'm Miss Deaton.
I'm Miss Battle.
Mission first, people always.
Hey, I'm Lisa Johnson. I'm the secretary here at Heritage.
Hi, I'm Robin. I'm the registrar at Heritage Elementary.
People first, mission always.
Good afternoon. I am Tansy Kilcrease, the Assistant Superintendent of Teaching and Learning for the Bibb County School District, and we thank you for being here today. Thank you for your participation. It's going to be a great year.